I have about 21 years experience in body work. I do body work on humans, dogs, horses, cats, and the body work is a combination of Reiki. I'm a Reiki master. Danak. I'm a Dan master. Myofascial release, cranial sacral work, acupressure, Tuina. I went to China with the Olympic training team and learned Tuina. And then I just work kind of intuitively with the energy of the moment, if you will. And beyond that, I am a personal trainer, so I try to really look at the anatomy, physiology, and kinesiology of the animal as well as the person and find out what muscles are and aren't working. And with my background in personal training, which I've done for about 40 years, I can create a program that actually gets you and your animal to be the best team out there possible. I can do workshops for you and your group on balanced horse and rider workshops called Equibalance, Reiki workshops, as I'm a Reiki master, so I can do that with your animals, so we can do equine or canine Reiki workshops as well as human. And then around a book that I wrote called Woman Find Your Voice, Vision, Power, I can do empowerment workshops for you and your group, which actually brings in some self-defense also.